How you doing, Ralfy here, Ralfy Customs? It's time for a Monday vlog. The beautiful girls, my beautiful blue princess, and Harry the bastard, sitting pretty. Here's my Triumph calf racer, stored project, and my little Suzuki rigid bob chop I'm saying, stored. Well, I've not even started because I haven't had time. Nikki's trike. I'm going to try and get some more framework done this week, get the guards mounted, and see if she can get over for a fitment and bits and bobs. And here's our Tony's Kawasaki that I've not even looked at because I've been so busy. But you will notice that Johnny's trike's gone, XJ900 trike's gone. This week we've got Nikki's trike having a bit more. I'm going to make a start on decks. Amazing Batman style, gothic, crazy 240 back end, 240 front end Suzuki 750. It's a Triumph all in bits. Look, frame's gone off, should be blasted, and then we'll have it powder coated. What I'm doing is brushing up on my stainless, on my aluminium, fucking stainless. So we've got the AC/DC TIG, and I'm just running a few beads, and it's many decades since I did any alley TIG, and things have changed a little bit with these inverters. They clean through the oxide a bit better, so that helps. But I need to relearn and I need to re-equip. I've got my tungsten's a bit thick, my filler rod's too thick. I blew an hole on purpose, all trial and error. I've done a few little dry runs and a little bead down there. But my filler rod's too thick for the material I'm using. I've got some much thicker material, but I'm not sure of the quality. And I'm waiting on a stainless wire brush, thinner electrodes, thinner filler rods, and some new gloves, some TIG welding gloves that'll give me the dexterity I need without fouling everything, because these are fucking black. You can't wear gloves like that to TIG aluminium, because you're just making it all dirty. So that's that. Well, we're also off to a start now. We've finally, if you follow me, you'll know. Fucking hell, what a tribulation. We've finally sorted out, squared up this stock, and I have learnt my lesson. Unless you can do it in your spare time or while you're doing another job, don't fucking bother getting chunks and chunks of fucking... Got loads of this shit here, look. Fucking look at that. There's a great long length here. Hydraulic fucking rod. And there. And there's a skinny one there. Great for in the lathe if you want something fucking hard. Apparently it's bright bar is the class of metal that it comes under, which is a bit of an umbrella term for harder than normal steel, not as hard steel, and it's got chromium in it and all sorts. So it's hard, but it machines if you really fucking want it to. Not really want it to, it's not solid hard, but it's fucking a pain in the arse hard. And it don't fucking rust. So perfect for making little tools like this V-block, which is what I'm going to start on this morning while I'm awaiting the TIG welding supplies, the Triumph frame back, and with it being Monday, it's a nice easy into the week. So I've fucked about with the welder. I'm not sure about this trolley. Look, the welder's a lot fucking bigger than my old one, and it doesn't really fit the trolley. The words cuckoo and fucking nest spring to mind, and I don't mean one flew over. If you know about what cuckoo chicks do to nests, then you'll fucking see that big fat overstuffed thing there. Look, I don't know how to make a wider trolley, or make the top wider, or I don't fucking know. Or stick it under a bench, you know. Make it live permanently under a bench. I could put the plasma cutter on there, and I could put that under there, and the gas bottle somewhere fucking here in between these benches. It's inert gas, so it won't mind that, you know, it's not going to go bang around, is it? Don't know, don't fucking know. They're going to play with that this morning, see what I'm fucking going to go at. So, let me just... So, there you fucking go. I'm down Antique Corner, look, with the old fucking Atlas. Really bad, sorry, a real bad fucking camera. I'm trying to show you that over my shoulder. Steady week. It's coming this mid-month. There's just over halfway through the month. We're in the middle of summer. I'm planning on taking it easy, not doing too much. A nice, steady roll with it. Yeah? Stay tuned for further updates. I'm going to get on and do some machining now and think about transplanting this fucking TIG over to there. Not sure. We'll see what happens. Please subscribe if you've not. If you like what the bollocks that I've been spouting this morning on my vlog, Monday morning is always a little bit fucking conglomerated. Check out my friends in the description below. Please, please, please. Just go and have a look. If you like, subscribe. Leave a message saying you came from me so we know the networking's working. Have a wonderful fucking week and lots of love, everyone. I'll speak to you.